I can't stop.
Well, I'm going to stop you because
I'm watching the
I
TikToks.
thought you had a heart attack, you dumbass.
Oh my god. There was this one.
No, I don't want to know. It's terrible. You're going to puke up all that fucking food.